Hi everybody, it's Cathie Allan and I'm here going to share with you something that we'll be having in the winter issue in the Technique Taster. We actually stepped out this embellishment that I put on my card right here. In that article, we also showed you this matching tag I created, and you can see that this ornament actually is attached with an ornament hanger, and it can be removed so it can be hung on a tree. And we decided that because I took this a little bit further, that we would step it out for you and show you how I created this. To begin with, I started with a piece of super stock from Creative Scrapbooker Magazine. This is a 130-pound cardstock that is good on both sides. It is like double thick, and I love it because it has such substance. In this case, I have taken my Be Creative, or a lot of people know it as Sookwang tape, and I have applied it to the entire panel. Now, this is the adhesive side up. And what I want is to place my die on this this prepared piece of cardstock, and you can put it through your favorite die cutting machine. And this is a thinlet die, so it doesn't actually cut right through this. It will only cut through the top layers. This is the die that we're using. It actually comes from Impression Obsession. It is a beautiful poinsettia die, and you can see here is the piece that I have cut out. Use your, get your favorite pair of tweezers. These are mine. And we can take out these pieces any which way we want. So I'm going to start here. I'm not going to remove all of them, but anything that I want to be red right now, and I'll remove a couple of them. And you are going to get yourself some red glitter. I have some beautiful glitter here from Glitter-Ritz. And I am going to pour it onto any exposed adhesive. This is key, and this is just a little beautiful little thing that I was taught by Deanna Pennell and Haroldine Wingfield a long time ago. You want to take time and burnish that glitter into the adhesive. From here, you can see I did all of the red parts with the glitter. So from here, we went to here, and that was all with the red glitter. Then, of course, you're going to dive into your glitter, and you're going to, next color I'm going to play with is called Stardust, and I love it because it's really like a platinum. And I removed the pieces of the backing that I wanted to have as Stardust. And now you can see instead of one color, we have two colors. And you can see it, but it is there. It is the white glitter, and I did use a cool highlight. It's beautiful, and of course anything left was done with the cool highlight. Now, when I show you this, you can see that when we remove this top layer, it's super sticky. Look at the glitter, isn't that amazing? And what we're actually going to do here is we're going to I cut one of these dies just out of white cardstock. It doesn't have to be in super stock because it's going to go right on here. It can be out of any white paper that you want. And what I want you to find is some black pigment ink. And you're going to grab your favorite applicator. In this case, I'm going to use a very friendly dauber. And I will take my clear embossing powder and pass it through that clear embossing powder. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get your handy dandy heat gun, and you're going to heat it. Oh, so pretty. There's nothing like a die cut that's been embossed. It just takes it to another layer. So what we'll do here and I'm going to show you how to put this together, do not remove all of this. You want to just fold back a little bit of it. I like to match it up on the bottom so that I can get a good idea where this is going to go. And then once I'm happy with the placement, I'll go in here and tag it down. Pull the rest of the backing away. Don't throw this away. There's fun things you can do with this. And look at the ornament that you have. What we're going to do is we're going to take this one to another level. This is the flat way. Let's make it more. It's going to hang on the tree. I want something shiny and I want it to reflect the Christmas lights. So let's get our glossy accents out from Ranger. And what you're going to do is just apply it. And notice I'm going to apply it to a petal, and I'm going to skip a petal. And I'm going to skip a petal. And then you allow that glossy accents to dry, or even just to set up. About 15 minutes. You want to let this dry for, so that when you fill the petals that are in between these ones, you don't have the glossy accents flooding into each other, and you get absolutely separate and distinct petals. So there you go. Through the magic of television, you can see this is nice and raised, and yes, I've done more than one coat. I probably let it dry for 15 minutes and put another coat. It might even have 3 coats on it. I get carried away sometimes. Once you're done, then what you're going to do is you're going to do the petals in between. So you have that gorgeous ornament 3D. The poinsettia itself is all 3D'd. And then to create the ornament, because this one on here, if you look at it, it's done on both sides, so that when it hangs on the tree, it can twist and turn in the light. You're going to actually make 2 of those. And I want you to take your favorite adhesive and put your 2 ornaments together. Now I think you should go and make 50 of these and do your whole tree, because wouldn't that be beautiful? Hope you have a happy day, everybody. Bye.